Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm doing a pretty long workout today on the track because I signed up for the Emerald City Half Marathon about a couple days ago, and actually it's like a last minute decision for me to sign up for this race. But I know that I'm really behind with my training, so I just need something, to boost me up a little bit and to get back in that kind of rhythm. So that's why I decided to sign up for this race. So yeah, today I am just gonna be doing more of like kind of like a run by feel, more of like a tune-up run before before this race. That's 5K. It's 100 minutes. Past 10K, 41:57. Last mile. So I would say the run today was a bit difficult because my legs were just kind of heavy, and I think my mindset today was not super ready for this run because of, I was having really some struggle for the past like few weeks because of my right calf like issue. But I'm really glad that I did like a really solid workout today. Let's say that I maybe match like the workout that I did before for the Topat Half Marathon. I think it's about the same pace. And today I used the Alpha Flies, so I just really wanted to know if these shoes are gonna be the right option for the race for the half marathon. But actually at this point I really can't tell because they felt kind of like rocky and I just couldn't get that nice footing today. Yeah, I'm not really sure if I'm gonna use this for the half. I might switch to maybe the Vaporfly or maybe the Pros. But yeah, overall today is really an amazing workout. So setting back home now and maybe just get some coffee. Thank you guys again so much for being here today, and I'll see you guys very soon.